utilizes a lean burn combustion process when operating on gas. Here, the gas is mixed with air before the intake valves during the air intake period. After the compression phase, the gas-air mixture is ignited by a small amount of liquid pilot fuel. This pilot fuel is pressurized and fed into the cylinders by a small common rail system. Combustion is fast, and after the working phase, the exhaust gas valves open and the cylinder is emptied of exhaust gases. The inlet air valves open when the exhaust gas valves close, and the process starts again. The dual-fuel engine is also equipped with a backup fuel system. This is a normal diesel process with camshaft-operated liquid fuel pumps. The pumps run in parallel with the process and work as a standby. Gas and pilot injection is not in use during liquid fuel operation. The liquid fuel operation process is the same as the conventional diesel process.